Hey, happy Tuesday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So this is such a cool enhancement. I love this. I've wanted this forever, and I'm so excited that the team got this. So basically, inside forms and surveys, we now have the ability to enable automatic time zone capture for the contacts. So imagine this idea. So we have this in the system today. You can set a contact's time zone, and then in workflows, you can make the workflow time zone sensitive. So let's say you're sending out a text message blast, and you're saying, "Good morning. It's time to do something amazing," and you want to send that at 8 a.m. Well, there's many time zones in the world, but let's take in the U.S., right? There's Eastern, there's Central, there's Mountain, there's Pacific. And so if you send it at 8 a.m. Eastern, all of a sudden you're sending it at 5 a.m. West Coast, right? And so people are going to not like that. But with the time zone sensitivity, you've been able for a long time now in workflows to send it out at the proper times. But what about capturing that time zone? How do you know what time zone I'm in? So now what you can do on forums and surveys is automatically capture that time zone. So that way when the lead comes in, if I'm coming in from a Pacific time zone or an Eastern time zone or whatever time zone in the entire world, it'll automatically put that in my contact record for you on submission of a form or a survey. And so anyways, you can see this here inside the options inside the forms, and then you can see that it actually captures it here in the record. And then obviously, and this is also in the surveys, so you can enable or disable this on your own at your discretion, of course, and you can see that it gets captured. Now, how does this work? Just for the record, it's using the local time zone that the person is in at time of submission through JavaScript, which is kind of a technical term, but basically it's just asking the browser what time zone it's in. So there can be some false positives here. It's kind of a 1% issue, not a 99% issue. I mean, it could be a VPN, or it could be like like right now, I'm actually from the Pacific time zone, but today I'm in the Central time zone. But it doesn't really matter if you really think about it. It's very easy to adjust, and it'll work great for 99.999% of people. So it's very, very, very cool. So anyways, it's not radically harder than just flicking on that switch if it's not automatically on by default. Although, let me see here. I think we're gonna, I can't remember. Are we gonna do it by default? Sorry, it's probably in these release notes that I didn't actually look at. Anyways, we'll figure it out. But either way, it's an awesome enhancement. Props to the team for making it happen. I hope you're having an amazing Tuesday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.